guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. It is so hot today. It is finally summer, like it's come out of nowhere, but it's good. So I have just been shopping. Now I've been to Coles and Woolworths. Woolworths, I just had to pick up one thing because it was on sale, and Coles, I have done my shop. Now I don't understand what's happening, but it was so expensive. I did get a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags, but I don't know, it just seems too much. Anyway, so also the meals I am making for this week are, so I'm making food for my dogs, which is just like mince, rice and vegetables, pizza, which we do like wood fire pizzas, puffed salt and pepper tofu with fried rice. I had this the other day and it was so good, so I'm going to try and recreate it. Lentil pie and red lentil dal with naan bread. This is the receipt and it was $169.47. I can't remember the last time I spent that much at the shop, so I don't know. That was a saving of $24.94 as well. So getting into it, as you can see here, toilet paper. Good to see the toilet paper is still quite easy to find. Celery. I got 2 tomatoes. I always get the tomatoes that are on the vine. I think they're Truss tomatoes, they are called. A coconut milk. I get a lot of the Coles brand items if you haven't seen my channel before. A 4-bean mix, lentils, another 4-bean mix. It's a lot of tins this week actually. Roast meat gravy to put in the dog's food, chopped tomatoes, a mild American mustard, mixed herbs. I now get these big containers. They're actually more cost efficient. Another coconut milk and another 4-bean mix. 3 avocados. And I saw this and it was half price. It's the Nivea Men Antiperspirant Black and White Max Protection. It says our strongest black and white sweat proof yet. So I'm interested to see if that works. If you want to know, definitely leave a comment and I'll let you know how it goes. This is what I went to Woolworths for. They currently have half price off Bonds items. So I got my husband 2 pairs of business socks. They're packets of 3. So they're usually $15 and they're down to $7.50. So I thought that is going in his Christmas present. We're at that point of our relationship. Socks for Christmas. How exciting is that? Bananas. And more bananas. I got another tin of lentils, another 4-bean mix. This is a chili. I can't remember what type it is. It's not very like chili, but I'm adding that to the salt and pepper tofu. Nuttolix, this is the butter that I use. Chopped tomatoes, 4-bean mix, a Vegemite, 3 tins of baked beans. So the 4-bean mix is actually for, I'm making homemade baked beans. Brown onions, another tin of lentils and another 4-bean mix. I didn't even get everything I needed in this shop. That's the crazy thing. They had 5 kiwi fruits for $2, so grab them. I'm really into kiwi fruits at the moment. Okay, shredded pizza blend cheese. Kind of running out of room. 2 mangoes it is the season. My husband's into them. I'm not really a mango fan, to be honest, but grabbed those for him. This is baby cos lettuce. I got some feminine products. Definitely required soon. These were half price, so I haven't tried the iced vanilla latte yet. I've tried no iced coffees yet. So that one, and then I got the normal vanilla latte to try. Then I got blueberry muffin mix and these crunchy noodles. I love adding these to like salads or burrito bowls or things like that. They're actually really good. I've never bought this before because it's usually so expensive, but the 18 pack of muesli bars. My God, I found them. Tasty tubes. I didn't know that Coles was selling these, so I saw them, had to grab them. They were probably a lot. This is for the puffed tofu, salt and pepper tofu, tapioca starch. I've never tried it, never bought it, so I don't know what that's like. Naan bread, basmati rice. This is actually a lot. Mince. I add this to my dog's food, just the Coles brand mixed vegetables. And this week there was, oh no, that's why it was so expensive. This wasn't on sale. Oh, wow. Okay, well, I got not on sale lamb and on sale lamb. That's really annoying. You know when you just don't notice something in the moment? Corn thins. I thought that would be a nice little snack with some hummus. I got the caramel lattes. Red lentils. This is what I use for my lentil dal. I'm running out of room. Kit Kat. There's always got to be chocolate when I shop. I got this just heat up special fried rice. I haven't tried that before. Hummus. This is the tofu that I will be trying to make the salt and pepper tofu with. Toothpaste. That was just on sale. Another tin of tomatoes. Carrots. Really running out of room. 2 tins of passata. I just get the Coles brand. And the last thing were the sausages that were on sale, so I thought I would try them with salad and garlic bread as a meal. And that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you want to see more of these, of course, as always, just leave a comment down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.